Welcome to this video on budgeting and saving in personal finance. In this video, we will discuss how to create a budget and save money to achieve your financial goals. Understanding the importance of budgeting is a vital component of personal finance. A budget is essentially a plan that helps you track and manage your expenses. By having a budget in place, you can make sure that your spending aligns with your financial goals. A budget also helps you identify areas where you can cut back on expenses and save money. To create a budget, start by listing all your income sources, such as your salary or any other income streams. Then, make a list of all your expenses, including rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, transportation, entertainment, and any other expenses you have. Once you have these figures, subtract your expenses from your income to determine your net income. Setting financial goals is important in personal finance. It gives you something to work towards and helps you stay motivated. Your goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART. For example, if you want to save money for a down payment on a house, set a goal to save a specific amount of money each month. Saving money is a key component of personal finance. There are several ways to save money, such as cutting back on expenses, using coupons, and shopping for deals. You can also automate your savings by setting up automatic transfers from your salary or business account to your savings account each month. Sticking to your budget is crucial in achieving your financial goals. One way to stay on track is to monitor your spending regularly. You can use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to track your expenses and make sure you're staying within your budget. In conclusion, budgeting and saving are essential components of personal finance. By creating a budget, setting financial goals, and saving money, you can achieve your financial objectives and build a more secure future. Remember to stay committed to your budget and adjust it as needed to meet your changing needs and goals.